Hi everyone, I would like to show you the beautiful farm in Melbourne. This is located at Collingwood, Victoria, Australia. This is an entrance of farm. Collingwood Children's Farm was founded in 1979 as a non-profit community farm. I found this map of farm on the corner. Now, I will show you in details. They are growing up organic vegetables, herbs, murnong, lucerne, cabbage. I'm not sure, what is this thing? There are more fences builded up. Some oranges are ready to eat. There you go, more oranges. There are more herbs and vegetables growing up. Flowers are blooming up. There is a tent and tables where you can rest and relax. Wow! I managed to capture this spectacular view. I found this is a stable where horses stay. This looks like a hiking trail, but it's inside the farm. Here are some beautiful flowers blooming. There is a giant fan. It's pumping water from ground. Some pigeons are eating something on the ground. This is a goat's farm. Goats are basking on the sun and enjoying. This is stamp and a goat's logo in it. What do they use it for? Moored goats. This is specially designed for the goats to play. These are bales to feed farm animals. There you can see a horse. Isn't this a pony? Some information. The environment is so calm and nice. It's green around and little bit chilling weather. And there are lots of wild birds and farm. There are two robust stallions. They looks great. Here is a large numbers of sheep herds. Sheep are gentle, social, and curious animals, often raised for their wool and meat production. And here are some cows grazing in the lawn. Cows are domesticated mammals, bred for milk and meat production, with diverse breeds and a crucial role in agriculture worldwide. Australia has various cow breeds, including Murray Grey, Droughtmaster, Greyman, Belmont Red, Australian Charbray, and Australian Lowline, among others. There are another big groups of sheep. This is a pig farm and 2 pigs. Why do they have put the logs like that? This looks like a puzzle to me. Big flocks of pigeons flying over there. Pigeons are intelligent, social birds, renowned for their homing ability and gentle cooing calls. Here is the great entry of peacock. In the farm tour, this was the satisfying moment for me. Peacocks are vibrant, iconic birds, recognized by their stunning, iridescent feathers and majestic courtship displays. It has long, colorful and feathers. People's enjoying in the goats farm. Here is another big chickens farm. They looks great and healthy. Chickens are domesticated birds, raised for eggs and meat, with diverse breeds and behaviors. Here is another interesting thing called guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are intelligent, trained animals that assist individuals with visual impairments or disabilities. Organic oranges are ready to eat and ripened. The farm looking great with vegetables. And I'm about to finish my farm tour. Like the video, share, and subscribe my channel for more content from Melbourne.